Hi, this is Juliet, and I am back. I know it's been not 2 days since my last video, but I have a package from Amazon. Sorry, I just showed you my address from Amazon, and I know what this is because I ordered it. It's a case for my Kindle. Because this is an iPad mini case, and so it doesn't really fit my Kindle. So I got actual Kindle case. So I will open it now. I hate these kind of packages because sorry I'm talking very slowly, really quietly because my mom's on the phone. So probably they're really hard to open. Ooh. Why am I doing that when I have my nifty bear claw? Isn't that cool? It's blue. I don't want to hurt it though. Come on. And yes, I am cutting towards myself. Boo-hoo. If I get cut, it's my own fault, so don't worry. I know the risk that I'm taking. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Wait, hang on. Shipping, like, it's like a sticker thing. And something else. So this is what it looks like, unopened, and it says Kindle Fire HD. So, just what I need for my Kindle. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Let's see. Okay. And foam. It's like an imprint of the thing. Can't really see that. Oh, and it has the band to hold it closed. And it's one of those 360 rotating ones. And it has a stand at a couple different angles too. So now I will put my Kindle in it. Oh. Okay. Come out. Now, in, oops, and in. Does it like click? Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. Clicked into place. Good, and has where the chargers go. It shows the speakers so that they aren't blocked, which is good. And now it fits perfectly. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then you just plastic. I always when I saw this kind of case on Amazon and stuff, I always thought this was the front without actually like looking at the speakers and thinking, oh yeah, this has to be the back because the speakers are on the back. Ooh, sorry. Big zip there. Yeah, I got too excited. I was gonna take a shower, but I didn't. So that's what it looks like, and it fits perfectly, and it just clicked into there. It's I don't know. It's not the nicest case, but it was 65 cents with like $3 shipping, so great deal. And it's bright. So. Yay. Okay.